So let us start. Today I need to start classification, multi-classification, I guess, right? Yeah. Binary classification we done, and multi-classification is the pending. My God. So this is yesterday. I would like to say logistic regression classification. Let us make it. This one is 84. This one is 85. Eighty-six. Only team, I trust you guys are able to hear me. 02 April. And I would like to say multi-class classification. Yeah, regarding resume preparation. So yesterday I have taken, it was not end to end actually. I will take one more time. Are we done this? Sir, I need a response. Okay. Logistic regression, binary classification, multi-class classification. Let us make it this one. Yeah. Back to the session. Yesterday I have covered one important discussion, but let me just try to tell one small tip actually, one small important interview question. Important interview question. What is that important interview question, you know? So the point is, while working, let us know, let us know what are all issues you have faced actually. What are all issues you have what exactly faced? I'm repeating again. Generally, being a real-time working employee, it's not like zero errors is wrong answer. Zero errors is what exactly, sir? Wrong answer. Most of the time, if you are a developer, I mean to say that if you are a programmer, definitely you should get an error. Definitely you should get what exactly error. So the point will be, while you are working, do let us know. Tell me some error names. It's not like error names they will not directly ask actually. They will ask, let us know the issues actually. Let us know what exactly issues. How you can answer this question, you know. So this we need to answer. This we need to answer from Stack Overflow. From what exactly, sir? Stack Overflow actually. Generally, Stack Overflow is a website. Stack Overflow is what exactly? Website. In real time, who are all facing issue, who are all what exactly facing issue, they will ask that issue solutions in Stack Overflow. Then, like intelligent, what we need to do? Open a Stack Overflow. Try to understand minimum some 10 to 20 issues actually. How many? 10 to 20 issues. That too, the common issues actually. That what exactly, sir? Common issue. I mean to say that how you can search, you know. I will explain. So this is just out of curiosity I'm covering. Click on Stack Overflow. I hope you know Stack Overflow, right? Click on Stack Overflow. Click on tags. Click on what exactly, sir? Tags actually. Now here, you can just try to click on, if you want Python issue, you can click on here Python. If you want pandas issue, here you can click on pandas. Machine learning, deep learning, NLP, these are all things actually. Let me click on pandas, sir. Let me click on what exactly? Pandas. Yeah, automatically pandas came. Seriously interesting. These are all till date, in pandas total 286 questions actually. In pandas total, how many questions actually? Sir, are you with me? 286 questions. But these 2 lakhs questions you no need to prepare. Now go to more. Come on, look at my screen. Click on more actually. And frequent. What you need to select? Frequent. I just wanted to know frequently asked question. Frequently facing issues actually. Click on this one. And now this is seriously interesting. There was a question. This question, 237 votes actually. There was one more question for this one, 623 voting and a pandas merging, 927. How to deal with setting copy warnings in pandas actually? I hope you know. Did you notice actually what is this one, sir? I'm facing some warnings. These are all things actually. Guys, are you with me? I mean to say that all real-time issues, who are all working in a real time, they will they will paste or post actually. They will post in a Stack Overflow. Then what we need to do is, from Stack Overflow, we need to understand minimum 10 to 20 questions actually. One day, either 1 hour or 2 hour, I will take separate session. I will take one question actually. Then I will explain what is the question, what is the solution. See, this is the question. How many answers would you have, sir? Can somebody talk with me? 25 answers. That too, how many people have seen, do talk with me? 2.3. Do you think M means what exactly? Millions, sir. Seriously interesting. This is the way, right? One day we'll take Stack Overflow. I like Stack Overflow very well, sir. All right. Fine then. I will explain one day this one. Sir, currently we are working with, machine learning logistic regression, multi-class classification. What is that one? Multi-class classification. ML steps. Come on. I just wanted to hear from you. First one is a importing lib. 1 minute. I need a bigger sound, sir. First one is importing libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation, model training, prediction. These are all things we know. ML flow. First one is a data frame, feature engineering, array, ML algorithm, gradient descent algorithm, cost function. These are all very, very important, right? Now let us talk. Arati, no, it is the same. Project to project, it is not very actually. Best example, let me tell you, if you are working with healthcare domain actually, when you are working with healthcare domain with Python, healthcare domain with what exactly? Python. The error name is name error. And even if you are working with e-commerce domain with Python, with what exactly, sir? Anyway, here also you'll get what exactly? Error name is a name error. Don't think like, domain to domain error will be changed actually. No, it was not like that. Okay. Let us just try to open this one. Please get ready. Seems to be already covered actual introduction, but let me, just try to walk through very quickly. Logistic regression comes under supervised learning. I hope you know this one. It is a technique that is used to solve for what exactly? Classification problem. It is used for predicting categorical dependent variable using a given set of independent variable. There are mainly two types. First one is a binary, next one is a multi-class. Binary having two classes, multi-class having more than two classes. I hope you know. Binary 0 or 1, pass or fail, yes or no, survived or not, something like that from the Titanic dataset. Multi-class classification. In multi-class classification, think about the target variable actually. Think about what exactly target variable. There are more than two target variables. Next one is a practical example. Yeah, I hope today I need to start, right? Fine, let me explain. I'm not sure either I have given an example or not. So 1 minute. Good. Sir, my father, I hope I already explained this one. My father planning already trained with one use case. Trained with one use case actually. What is that use case? Any idea? Yeah, very good. What is that one? Recognize cat or dog. Recognize cat or what exactly? Dog. Same thing like that. My father planning for one more scenario. My father, he cannot sit idle, sir. Always he will do something actually. Now he is planning. So let me train my son. Let me train my son to recognize what exactly no number handwritten digits. Handwritten what exactly, sir? Digits actually. When I say handwritten digits, how many handwritten digits would you have? 0, 1, 2, 3. Hold on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. Provide comma very quickly. All right. Good. Then my father planning to train with all these digits actually. Now I just wanted to say all classes. How many classes would you have? 10 classes. How many classes, sir? 10 classes. 10 classes in the sense, 0 is one class. 1 is another class. 2 is another class. Like this, how many classes would you have? 10 classes. Here, how many classes would you have? Any idea? Very good. Two classes actually. Two classes. The first class name is called as a cat. Second class's name is called as dog. Keep in mind that. That one is a bit important actually. Good. Then what my father done, my father went to shop. My father went to what exactly, sir? Shop actually. And he asked, I need images. I need what exactly? I need images. All these images should have kind of some handwritten digits. Handwritten what exactly, sir? Digits actually. Digits. Then he got almost images. How many images he got it? 1797, sir. 1797 actually, am I right? Yeah, 1797. These many images. How many images? These many images actually. Now keep in mind that every image, the representation is like this. We are going to start the discussion. Understand the scenario. Come on. Let us take this one. My father having these are all images actually, assuming that the first set of images, this is the first image. The first image having the number, the first one is a 0, something like this, am I right? And second image, the same category, and 0 also representing like this actually, am I right or not, sir? Am I right? And third image, the 0 also representing something like this. Still this is the 0. I would like to say handwritten digits. I would like to say what exactly? Handwritten digits. Like this, would you have a few more images, something like this? Second category, all ones. I would like to say what exactly? All one. One is representing like this. And even one still we can represent like this also. Am I right? Yeah. Like this, would you have a one images actually? Same thing like that. And two images. Number two, handwritten digits. Number two. And next one is what exactly? Number two. Sir, like this, total how many images would you have? 1797 images. 17, what exactly? 97 images would you have actually. My father collected. Why my father collected these many images, Why? Because if my father trained with only this image, somebody is showing about this image, I will definitely confuse actually. My father have taken lot of data. Lot of what exactly? Sir, where there is a more data, then definitely will get a good accuracy. Where there is what exactly? More data. Where there is more data, then you will get a good accuracy. You will get what exactly, sir? Good accuracy. That point you need to understand actually. Guys, are you with me? Are you getting everyone? Good. Let's move on to the discussion. I hope you understand. Let us continue the discussion. Now, let me just try to open the data set. Now, please observe this one. Identify handwritten digit. First of all, understand this. Then I will give one Kaggle example actually. If image having the 0 number, then output should be what exactly? My father is showing one image and my father is asking, training actually. Dear son, this is the image number, so and so number. If it is having one number, then the output should be what exactly? One. Yeah, good. Keep in mind that. Now exactly like this. Recognizing the number. There is a image. I would like to say this is called as a handwritten digits. This is called as what exactly? Also, it is called as a grayscale image, sir. What image actually? Grayscale image. One more time. Yeah, good. Now let me tell you. This is the public data set. First of all, you need to understand that. Right. Public data sets. I already covered few data sets actually. One of the data set name is called as a Titanic. What is the data set name? Titanic. Next one is a which one? Iris. Oh, okay. Iris actually. We had to cover that one. And the third one is what exactly? Alcohol. Yeah. Alcohol. How the alcohol taste it will be. We can recognize. These are all public data sets actually. And next one will be tips. And the fifth one will be what exactly? No, handwritten desserts. Handwritten what exactly? Desserts actually. Now, these are all predefined data sets you can get from. We do have a ML community, machine learning community. There is a one website actually. From there you can download. I will show you that URL later. Now, handwritten digits. This is one of the public data sets, sir. This is one of the what exactly? Public data set. It is having grayscale images. What it is having? Grayscale images actually. I will tell you. What do you mean by grayscale images? Let me drink water. Today is seriously very hard, sir. So please focus. Yeah, seems to be 0. And I would like to say this is the image, this is the output. This is image, this is what exactly, sir? Output. This is the image, this is what exactly? Output actually. Now what exactly we are going to do, We are going to train the algorithm. For that algorithm, we are giving all these images and we are training. And this is the image, this is the number, this is the image, this is the number. Once the training is done, now, for the algorithm, we need to give image. We need to give what exactly, sir? Image. Then the algorithm will give you reply like, boss, this is so-and-so number. This is what exactly? So-and-so number. Guys, are you with me? Good. We'll do that one. Understand the scenario. Please observe here. I have one simple question. Can somebody talk with me? What is this one? Any idea? One more time. Last time. Good. Function. I mean to say that there is a website, I'm sorry. There is a package name is called as a sklearn dot datasets. Import, you need to import one function. You need to import what exactly? One function. What you need to understand is, there is a one function, that function is returning lot of data. That function is returning what exactly? Lot of data. Let me help you this one. Understand the scenario nicely. Sir, machine learning is very easy. You have to prepare thoroughly, repeatedly. You have to prepare thoroughly, repeatedly. Purpose. What is the purpose, sir? Multi-class classification. Step number 1. Come on, tell me quickly. Step number 1 is what exactly? Importing libraries. Yeah, let me show you. Demo1.py. Go to the desktop. Programs. And let me just try to import this one. And step number 2. Step number 2, loading the dataset. Step number 2 is what exactly, sir? Loading the dataset. Loading what exactly? Dataset. It's a very simple. So this is the function name. We need to call this one. I have one question for you. Get ready. Whenever we are calling a function, we are assigning to the variable. Means very good. Keep in mind that by looking at this line, you should get some vibes actually. What is that vibe? We are calling one function. That function calling we are assigning to the variable means backend this function having return statement. Function having what exactly? Return statement. Keep in mind that. This is step number 2. This is what exactly? Step number 2. Yep. Importing library is done. Next one is what exactly? Loading the dataset. Hold on. A function which is returning some variable. Which is returning what exactly? Variable. That variable name is here what exactly? A, B, C, D, anything you can give. Now, you know what? Instead of that A, lot of things would you have. This A is a powerful object. That A is a powerful variable. Instead of that variable, would you have a lot of things actually? We'll see one by one what all things would you have. First of all, instead of that one, what are all things are available? I wanted to see. Instead of that one, very good. What is the result actually? DAR. Simple. Like that we need to understand. Print Print of what exactly, dir of a, sir. Dir of what exactly? A. Now, kindly please observe this one. Wow. First of all, whenever you are printing dir of a, it is returning some list. It is returning what exactly? Some list. Instead of that list, first one is what exactly? Description. First one is a regarding the data set. What is the data set? Would you have handwritten digits data set? That digits data set description, it will explain actually, right? Boss, so and so classes would you have? These are all handwritten digits actually, something like that. Next one is what exactly? Data. I will show you what do you mean by data. Next one is a feature name. Very good. Please don't ask what is a feature actually. We already done. Input. What is that one, sir? Input. Next one is a frame, not using, and images. We are having images. Target. Next one is what exactly? Target name. Keep in mind that interview question. Definitely they will ask actually. Whenever you are calling this function, it is returning object, right? Instead of this object, what all things are available means these are all things are available. Keep in mind that. From this one, what are all important? Data is important, sir. Images is important. Target is important. Target name is important. Feature names also important. We'll see. I will show you one by one actually. Are you with me? Good. Let me execute this. We'll do one thing. Sir, I need your attention. Please focus. First variable is, yeah. Hold on. This I will cover. Hold on. Exactly. Look at this example. I'm sure you understand whatever I'm explaining actually. We are calling a function and which is returning one variable. That variable we are printing actually here. What is the variable name I have given? But instead of variable, I can still say as what exactly? Object. Good. Keep in mind that. Now the next one is, yeah, hey Daniel, can I capture this one? You can capture, sir. If you wanted to access this one, what we need to do, digits dot description. What we need to do? Digits dot description. If you wanted to access this data, digits dot data, something like that. Are you getting? Come on. Now let me show you. If you're trying to accessing the description, it will explain boss optimal recognition handwritten digits dataset characteristics, number of instances. I mean to say that 90, 17, 97 actually, number of attributes. I will tell you. And these are all 8 by 8 images actually. Hold on. If you want, you can print this one. Just a description, try to understand. Digits is not defined. Here, what I need to do? Good. What is error name? Name error. By this time, you should be in position to fix this error. Yeah. It will explain some description, sir. It will explain some description actually. Here onwards, it is the discussion. Still, you can ignore, not much important. Okay, take this example. Hey, I have one question. Have you noticed something this one? Any idea? Attribute. That too special attribute. Very good. That too what exactly? Special attribute. This is called as a constant. If anything having all or uppercase letter, that is called as a constant. That is called as what exactly? Constant, sir. Are we using regularly? No, we are not using regularly in real time. Now move on to the discussion. Please focus on this one. Sir, here onwards you need to understand what you need to understand, Let me tell you. Recently, I have taken two selfies. I have taken what exactly? Two selfies actually. I hope you know how to take a selfie. Am I right? Yeah. Now, can somebody talk with me? How many selfies I have taken? Yeah, good. When I say two selfies, hold on, means keep in mind that two images actually. Am I right? Am I right or not, sir? Now, this is the normal terminology. This is what exactly, sir? Normal terminology. This is normal terminology. Sir, let me tell you, in terms of the data science, if you are taking two selfies, of course, it is two images actually. It is what exactly, sir? Two images. But let me tell you, backend two arrays. Backend what exactly? Two array. I mean to say that every image backend it will be represented with array. It will be represented with what exactly, sir? Array. Guys, are you getting? Good. Let me show you what do you mean by that. Hold on. Let me take one small image. Which image I can take? Brahmananda image. Let me take, sir. I hope you know, right? I hope you know, right? Which image, sir? I like this image, sir. Let me take this one. Very innocent face, actually. There is a reason. Hold on. Take this one. Now let me just try to take image number 1. Assuming that this is my selfie I have taken like this. Sir, serious, sir? What exactly? Expression. Serious expression, right? Good, hold on. Now open paint. Sir, what exactly happened, Close this one. Take this image. And you can just try to paste here actually. Come on, come on. Take this image. Let us take a paint actually. Sir, please, the discussion what I'm covering is important actually. First of all, this is the image, am I right? Good. In the image, whenever you are taking the image like this actually, first of all, image means nothing but a starting array value. What value, sir? Starting array value. This is the closing array value. This is what value actually? Closing array value. Keep in mind that every image is backend, it is representing with array. Backend representing with what exactly, sir? Array. Keep in mind that, can I say image means group of pixels actually? Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now just try to come here. I would like to say, first of all, image means, hold on. Image means group of pixels. Group of what exactly? Pixel. Good. Let me take a pixel. Pixel means a grid, sir. A grid is something like a small box actually. Grid with number. Grid with what exactly? Number actually. I hope you know what do you mean by pixel actually. Am I right? A group of pixels, it will be generated what exactly? Image. A grid with number. This number is nothing but a array number. Array value. What is that value? Array value. Let me show you. Let me show you. This discussion is a bit important. Please focus. Sir, can I say the, hold on. Can I say the, now, can I say the array started from here? Talk with me, sir. Yeah, good. Sir, initially, if there is no image representation, the image is empty. Image is what exactly? Empty. If the image representation is empty, what is the array value? 0. What is the array value actually? 0. Backend it takes automatically. Then second position, assuming that first pixel, the value is what exactly? 0. Go for the second pixel. Any image representation would you have actually? No. And keep on 0. Again, why 0 actually? No representation. Image, no representation. No representation. No representation. Hold on. Yes, slightly image would you have actually. Am I right? Now that pixel value is something like a 5. That pixel value is something like is what exactly? Every pixel having the value started from 0 to 255. Pixel value backend it is representing minimum value is the 0, maximum value is the 255. Minimum value means if there is no image representation, 0. There is a representation but small representation. The shade is very light actually. Then small number it will come. Now the next one will be something like a 6. Something like what exactly? You know what? 99. Something like 99. And the next one will be somewhat 4. And next one, some representation is available. Here some numbers would you have actually. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Here some numbers would you have. Sir, you talk with me. Do you think that is the 5 actually? No. Tell me what is the value? Very, I hope you connected actually. Keep in mind that everywhere where is there is no representation, that pixel value is what exactly, sir? 0. Now here, no doubt at all, some dark image would you have actually 127, something like actually. No doubt at all, some dark representation would you have 200 value. Keep in mind that where there is a more image representation, the more images shade would you have, there we can see the big array number. There we can see what exactly? Big array number. Did you understand what I'm explaining? Now hold on. Now hold on. My father started training. My father, what exactly, sir? Started training. How many images you have taken? Images. How many images you have taken actually? Very good. 1797 actually. Good. 1797 means images. What exactly, sir? Images. But can I say all are arrays actually? Good. I hope you understand. Am I right or not, sir? I mean to say that image, normal terminology, but every image backend it is representing with what exactly? Array. If you have taken 10 selfies, means indirectly you have created a 10 arrays actually. You have created what exactly? 10 arrays. Guys, are you with me? Good. Now, what exactly I'm planning to do? Here I am planning to print the data value. I'm planning to print what exactly? Data. Data means image representation. What representation? Whenever you are printing the data, what it is printing in the backend actually? Arrays it is printing. What it is printing, sir? Arrays. I hope you understand. Right? Good. Hold on. Go back. I just wanted to see total what is the length of the data set. What is the length of the data set actually? Then LAN digits dot data. What you need to print, sir? Digits dot data. Come on. Let me check with online team. Online team, hold on, sir. Online team, kindly please hold on. Please, sorry. Let's move on to the discussion. I just wanted to see what are all, you know, length of what exactly? A dot. Talk with me, sir. Tell me, sir. Data. A dot. What exactly? Data. Data means instead of that one, we do have a data. Now just try to see this one. How many images would you have actually? Talk with me, sir. 1797. That is a fixed. That value is the fixed actually. Though this is the public data set. What data set? Public data set. And if you want, you can take more images also. But this is the public data set. Keep in mind that. Now take this example. I hope you understand more to the discussion. Hello, Daniel. Can I print the data? Sir, you can print. Can I print the data? You can print actually. Now, if you wanted to print the data, come to the example. Here, what we need to do, provide, sir, A dot, what exactly? Data. A dot, what exactly? Data actually. Now, keep in mind that here, A dot data means data means nothing but the total 1797 images. Means if you're trying to printing the image, backend it will print array. Backend it will print what exactly, sir? Array. Now how many arrays you are going to see? Very good, you catch my point actually. I'm repeating again, sir. Here very simple. Data. Here the data means, first of all, data is not a singular word. Data is a plural. Data is what exactly? Plural actually. If I say data, here in the term of the data here actually 1797 images would we have. If you wanted to see the only image actually, I will help you. Just wait for 5 minutes actually. But if you're trying to printing the data directly, it cannot expose the image. It will print the array. It will print what exactly? Array actually. Now if you want, you can just try to see here actually. Sir, these are all, this dot 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 means, I hope you know. What do you mean by the dot dot dot? We do have a lot of data actually. Guys, are you getting? Good. Keep in mind that. Now I understand your question. Can you please show me? I wanted to see the image representation. What representation, sir? I will show you. Hold on. Hold on, sir. I will show you. Yeah, these are all images actually. Now, I just wanted to see the first image. I just wanted to see what exactly? First image. I mean to say that what exactly happening. My father have taken images. All images. How many images actually? All images. Tell me, sir, what is the total images? 1797. Now my father have taken image number one. Image number one. What my father have taken? Image number one. My father is showing, dear son, this is the so-and-so image. Then if you wanted to see like that actually, now, just try to come here. First image if you wanted to see, provide what we need to provide here actually, sir? 0. Second image 1. Next image 2. Something like that. Till what exactly? What is the maximum? Can I provide 1797 here actually? No. What is the last value? 96. Very good. Now let me just try to print this one. Yeah, this is what exactly? One image means one array. One what exactly, sir? Array actually. Good. And I will show you what kind of image, what kind of array this one actually. Hold on. If you wanted to print one image, you can print like this. You can print like this. If you wanted to print the second image, if you wanted to print what exactly? Second image, like this you can print. Come on, like this you can print. Now, what you need to understand, a of 0, a of what exactly? 0. First of all, if you're trying to printing this one, group of arrays, group of what exactly? Arrays. Can I print one array? Can I print one array actually? Sir, you can print. Can I print one array? You can print. How to print actually? A of date of what exactly? 0. Very good. First array you are trying to printing. Same thing like that. Can I print second array actually, sir? Talk with me, boss. Yes, you can print. Second one is what exactly? Like this. I mean to say that you are printing one array. You are printing what exactly? One array. One array. One more time, you are printing what exactly? One array. Till now, what exactly happened, For the ML algorithm, we are giving the numerical data. What data actually? But now, today, for ML algorithm, we are giving images. We are giving what exactly? Image. Sorry, image means what exactly? Array. Image means what exactly? Array actually. Keep in mind that. That point is an important. Okay, let's move on. I hope you understand actually. Yeah, good. Now let me tell you. Let me tell you. Digits dot come here. Let me just try to print dir of A. Dir of what exactly? A actually. Till now what we done, we are trying to accessing description, we are trying to accessing data, we are trying to accessing what exactly? Data. And now if you want, you can access these images also. If you want, you can access what exactly? These images also. We'll see what do you mean by this image exactly. Right. If you wanted to print this image, it's a very simple how you can print, just try to come here, sir, by exactly like this. A dot images. A dot what exactly? Images. This one also array. This one also what exactly? Arrays actually. Now just try to come here. I will tell you what do you mean by difference dot data and dot images actually. Images. This one also group of arrays. This one also what exactly? Group of arrays. Take this one. Sir, this is bit important. Please focus. This is very, very important. Please focus actually. Till now, I'm saying image. Image means what we have seen, array we have seen. What we have seen? Hello, Daniel. Stop the overaction. I don't want to see the array. I wanted to see image. I wanted to see what exactly? Image. It's very simple, sir. Then here you need to use matplotlib. What we need to use actually? Matplotlib actually. Now let me just try to print first array. Let me just try to print first image. If you wanted to print the first image, this is the syntax we need to follow. Yeah, we are importing the function. Yeah, very good. We are importing matplotlib library. Then load underscore digits. It is returning some variable or object. Now, can somebody talk with me? Plt dot mat show. Can I ask a question? Functional method. How can you say? Yeah, with this name we are calling actually. Plt dot mat show. Digits dot images of 0. Digits dot what exactly, sir? Images of 0. If you are directly printing this one, we are getting array representation. What representation? Hello, Daniel. I wanted to see the image. Then it's a very simple. Use matplotlib. What we need to use actually? Matplotlib actually. Just kindly please hold on. Let me drink water, sir. Now let me just try to print. Come on. Importing the libraries, loading the data set. Now, let me just try to print. Three A, 3B. Let's print array. Let's print what exactly, sir? Array. And at the same time, let's print image. Let's print what exactly? Image actually. Now, let's take this one. First of all, let me print like this actually. Let me print like that. Good, sir. This is a bit important. Please focus. I need your attention. You're trying to printing the first array. You're trying to printing what exactly? First array. Hold on. What I need to give here actually? Sir, did you understand? We are printing one array. We are printing what exactly? One array. That array means nothing but one image actually. Did you notice something like this? All edges are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I mean to say that back end 0 representation. What representation actually? 0 representation. I mean to say that. Now let me just try to print image representation also. Then you will understand very clearly. Hold on. Let's print what exactly? Image representation. Image representation. Please understand the example thoroughly. I will give some time. Hold on. Let me give the variable name is what exactly? I I I will cry, sir. Yeah. Just observe. Did you notice here actually? Did you notice here? Sir, first, this is the first pixel. What pixel actually? First pixel. What is the value? Talk with me, sir. 0. Next pixel, what is the value? When it comes to third pixel, some shade is available. What is available? Then what is that value actually? 5. What is that value? 5. Next, move on to the next one. Some dark shade is available. What is the value? 13. Next, what is the value? 9. What is the value? 1. Still some shade is available. Definitely specs is required, sir. Even I am unable to see actually. Then why here is the 0? No shade is available. Did you understand? What you need to understand, every image is nothing but backend array representation. What representation? Did you understand? Good, like this actually. I just wanted to see array. I just wanted to see image parallel means like this you need to see. Like this you need to see actually. You need to do some R&D. Very basic example. Slowly by slowly you need to understand. Yeah, exactly, Srikanth. All right. Same thing like this. I just want, if you want, what you can do, take this one. Hold on. My explanation is not yet done actually. Sir, did you notice these are all shades these are all edges the 0. That's what I'm sorry. There is no shade here actually. That's why these are all zeros. And here there is no shade actually. That's why these are all what exactly? 0. But here also 0. Here is what is the value? 6. Can somebody tell what is the next value? 13. Next value is 10. Next one is 0, 0, 0. 3 zeros actually. Did you understand? Good. Hold on. Let me ask a question. What is this value? 5. What is this value? 7. Very good, sir. I hope you understand. When I'm showing this is the pixel, for this pixel, the representation is that one actually. I'm sure. I hope you understand. Even here you can see the pixel value. Here you can see right hand side bottom you can see. The pixel value is the 7. What is the pixel value? 7 actually. See in middle, here some shade is available. Here there is no shade actually. That's what here is a 0. That's what here is what exactly? Keep in mind that handwritten digit. What digit, sir? Something like a grayscale image. What image actually? Grayscale image actually. Assuming that you have taken selfie. If you are zoom in, if you are what exactly, sir? Zoom in, then you can see image will be like this actually. Are you getting? But hold on. Take this example. I wanted to see the next image. Then what I need to do? Come here. What I need to provide, sir? 1. Let me provide here is what exactly? 1. Good. Let me just try to print this one. Yeah. What is this number? 1. Now please observe here. No shade actually, sir. All are zeros. Here, can somebody talk with me? What is the number? 7. The 7 you can represent like this. Even, can I say this looks like 1 only? Am I right or not, sir? Oh my God, more thirsty, sir. Yeah, good. Now let me tell you, these are all, sir, simple. Where there is a more shade, there you can see the bigger number. There you can see what exactly? Bigger number. Let me tell you, the minimum value is the 0. Minimum value is what exactly? 0. Maximum value is the 255. Maximum value is what exactly? 255. That too, this is the black and white image. What image actually? Black and for every, even color images also, back end it is having the number. It is having what exactly? Number actually. If the image is really very good, then the pixel length is the very bigger value. That pixel length is what exactly? Very bigger value actually. Good, get ready. I have one question, get ready to understand. Let me print the second one. Let me print what exactly? Second one. Can I print? Talk with me, sir. Can I give here 2 actually? Yeah. Can I give here 2? You can give. Now let me print this one. You are giving here is the 0. What is output actually? 0. You are giving here is the 1. What is output? 1. 2. What is output? 2. According to the order, they have given something like this. Yeah. What is the number now here actually? Something like a 2, sir. Something like what exactly? 2 representation. 2 representation. Now I have a question for you. Let me provide here is something like a 14. Then what is the result actually? Tell me. I will cry. That's what you need to understand actually. Very good. Keep in mind that that's what I told. What I told you know. Let us take a father. Father planning to train to recognize what exactly? To recognize. Tell me 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What exactly, sir? 8, 9. That's it actually. I mean to say that first image it can be 0. First image it can be what exactly? 0. Second image it can be what exactly? 1. And keep on like this. Now 22nd image. What image actually? 22nd image. I'm sure it is in between. In between what exactly? 0 to 9 number. Are you getting? That point you need to understand. Many people will get it confused, but there is no confusion. Can I ask a question? What is the total classes actually? 0 to 9 actually. Let me print that. Let me print 22. Even I don't know what image actually. Yeah, second image, sir. What is the number actually? Tell me, sir. 2. What is the number? 2 actually. Good. Let me just try to provide. Why I'm getting error? Let me just try to provide 2000. Why I'm getting error? Any idea? Come again. First of all, how many images actually? 1797. Then how can you provide this one? You will get an error. You will get what exactly, sir? Error. Let me show you. What is error? Index. That's what you should understand why you are getting actually. Why? Because, sir, the total length is 1797 only. How you can provide 2000? How you can provide what exactly? 2000. That's it, man. Now, if you understand this one, let's move on with the discussion. From here, it is very easy. Let's move on. Yeah. Image number. First image we are printing. Second image we are printing. Hello, Daniel. Can I print some 5 images in one shot actually? Can I print some 5 images in one shot? You can print, sir. Then how to print, you can just try to use a for loop for I in range actually. Range. Did we discuss? We discussed. I know that one. Range is a function. How many values I'm taking, sir, here actually? 5 values I'm taking. How many values I'm taking? 5 values actually. Now plt.matplotlib mat show digits dot images of 0. What is the first value? 0. Then 0 image, first image, second image, something like this. Let me just try to print this very quickly. You can delete this step. Let me just try to print. Okay, some maybe because of this reason. It's okay. You can ignore that. First image 0. Second image is what exactly? 1. Next image is 2. Next image is 3. Next one 4. Do you think you'll get one more? Started from 0 to 4. 5 done actually. In for loop also, how much we have given? For loop. If you wanted to see total 1700, what we need to give? Here, I hope you understand. You can try, sir. Here you need to give 1700 actually, but we don't have a time. Let us continue. Sir, I hope you understand what exactly I'm explaining actually. Guys, are you with me? Good. According to the requirement, what you need to understand, So the first of all, we are getting the data. We are getting what exactly? The data. The data is in terms of the images here actually. Till now, we trained the algorithm with the data. The data is nothing but a numerical data. What data? Numerical data. But now this is a quite different scenario. We are taking the data in terms of all images. In terms of what exactly? All images. Now get ready. We need to start train our algorithm with images. With what exactly? Images actually. Now please focus on this one. I'm pretty sure till here you understand actually. Even if you want, you can print the target variable also. If you want, you can print what exactly? Target variable also. How to print the target, sir? Whenever you are calling this function, which is returning some variable actually, by using that variable, you need to print the target. By using that variable, you need to print what exactly? Target. You can just try to print this one also. This is a bit important interview question. Let me show you. Let me show you. Image number 1. Then no doubt at all, this is some number. This is what exactly? Some number. The number will be something like a 0. Image number 2. Sir, can I ask you one question? Left hand side, what is available? Can I say this is the feature? This what exactly? We are showing the image and at the same time, here is what exactly? Any idea? Target. This what exactly? Target. Good. I would like to say this is the 1. This is what exactly? 1. Image number 3. I would like to say what exactly? Some 2 actually. Let me ask a question. How many features? Very good. 1797. No doubt at all. How many targets actually? Very good. That point you need to understand. Exactly, sir. Let's move on to the discussion. Same thing like that. If you want, you can check the length of target actually. If you want, you can check what exactly length of the target, you will understand. Do I need to print this example? Come on, you can try. And I just wanted to see the first initial 5 targets, 0 to 5 actually. Can I say this is the array representation? What representation, sir? Array representation. We're almost very near. Yeah, get ready. Interesting, sir. Now actual discussion is going to start now. What exactly you need to understand, come on. You can delete these are all stuff. Now the first two things will be importing the libraries. What exactly we are doing? Importing the libraries, loading the data set, importing the libraries, and next one is what exactly? Loading the data set. Can somebody talk with me? What is this? Splitting the data set. I hope you know that one. This step is called as a splitting the data set. What is this? What is the step, sir? Splitting the data set. Step number 3, splitting the data set. There is a function. That function we need to call. What is that function name? Train underscore test underscore split. Hold on. This function we need to call. Then for here, P1, P2, P3, some P4 parameters we need to provide. First parameter should be, what is the first parameter? Talk with me. Digits dot data. What is that one, sir? Digits dot data. Can I say this is the feature actually? This is what exactly? Feature. Something like a x comma y. What is that one? Here, this is nothing but a x actually. Now P2 means what exactly, sir? Digits dot target. Every feature having what exactly? Target actually. Now what is the next one, sir? Test underscore size. Last third parameter. What is the ratio? 80/20. But can I try with 3 actually? You can try, but by default is the 30/70. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now this one will return 4 parameters. How many? This one will return 4 variables. Variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, variable 4. How many variables, sir? What is the first variable name? X train, X test. Y train, Y test. Very good. I'm pretty sure you understand. Yeah, yeah, good, good. Sorry. Sir, it takes time. You guys need to do the decent practice actually. Understand the example, do practice thoroughly. That definitely helps you. You need to spend some time. You guys are coming to the session regularly. I'm happy for that one. At the same time, regular practice helps you. Good, very good. Talk with me, sir. What is the first step actually? First one is importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation. Third step is what exactly? Hold on. Data preparation also let's do actually. If I say data preparation, in between, let me bring here. I need your help. Data preparation. Let us follow our fundamental. Now, you tell me X, capital X equals to what I need to provide, sir. Can I provide this one? Very good. Then Y equals to what exactly? Nice. Then here what I need to provide? Nice. Very good. And here what I need to provide? That's it. Now 4 steps we got it. We got it. How many steps, sir? 4 steps. Very good. Let's move on. Code importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set. 5th step is what exactly? Tell me, sir. Model creation. Good. Now let me show you the model. What is the problem statement actually? Multi-classification, multi-class classification, right? Don't expect the new class actually, the old class only. Same thing like old class only. For binary classification, binary classification, what is the class name? Any idea? Logistic, what exactly? Regression. Sir, even for the multi-class classification also, multi-class classification also, I would like to say the same class actually, same class. Let me reveal the secret. Let me reveal the secret actually. What is the secret? It's a very simple. Being a data scientist, being a data scientist, you should be master. You should be what exactly? Master in 3 topics actually. I hope you already know. The first topic is a Python, no doubt at all. Second one is a pandas. If you know Python and pandas, 70% of the project you can involve. Third one is what exactly? Machine learning. That's it, sir. That's it actually. Of course, we do have other stuff also, but let me tell you, other step is still optional, but I'm going to cover that step also. Keep in mind that being a data scientist, your main role is model creation. Your main role is what exactly? Model creation. Let me tell you, being a data scientist, don't too much involve in database discussion. What discussion? Database discussion, Power BI discussion, data visualization discussion. During interview, if you show you are very good in database, you are very good in what exactly? Database. Gone case actually. What happened? They will recruit you and they do have a requirement in a database actually. They will push you into database requirement. Gone. I mean to say that your dream is data scientist actually, but in which project you are going to work actually? Talk with me. Database. There was a student, he's very good in Power BI, data visualization. His background is the data visualization and he learned the data science actually. During interview, he explained Power BI like anything actually. Company recruited him as a data scientist, but he got a Power BI project. What project, sir? Power BI project actually. The point will be, always you need to tell My role is the model creation. I'm very good in machine learning. I'm very good in what exactly? Machine learning. Best example, sir. If I'm attending interview, if I'm attending what exactly? Interview. If it is a Python question, I can answer. If it is the pandas question, I can answer. If it is the machine learning question, I can answer. If it is the database question, every time I will answer like this actually. I'm not a DB guy. First answer is I'm not a database developer. I'm a data scientist. But I can rate myself database out of 10, 3. Out of 10, what exactly? You yourself need to tell I'm not good in a database actually. But you need to tell I know what is going on in database. I know what is going on, what exactly? Database actually. Good. Once you uploaded your profile, once you uploaded your profile, HR will call you. HR will try to convince you. What they will convince you know? HR team knows very well. A data scientist can work in any department and any area actually. HR team will tell. Currently, we don't have a data science project actually. We have a database projects. What projects? Database projects. Please join in my company. Later, after 6 months or 1 year, you can join in a data science actually. Will you join? Give me your number, sir. Will you join? Please. You should not join actually. Keep in mind that. Okay. But let me tell you, if you are a fresher, if you are what exactly? Fresher, join actually. You will get some hands-on experience at least. But if you are experienced, if you are planning for experience actually, join as a data scientist only. Join as what exactly, sir? Data scientist only. This is the fundamental and small secret actually. Okay. All right. Let's move on to the discussion. Model creation. It is taking long time, sir. Why? Good. Very good. Now I hope you know we are importing the so-and-so model logistic regression. Step number 5. What is the step number 5, sir? Model creation. Very good. Yeah, hold on. Previously, for the binary classification, we have created a model like this. We have created what exactly? Model like this actually. But here, sir, we have a lot of data. 1700 images means don't think like that is a small data actually. What data? That is not a small data. For here, some extra keyword argument and parameters we need to provide. What we need to provide? Some extra keyword argument we need to provide actually. First keyword argument name is a solver. Second keyword argument name is what exactly? Max iterator. Without this one also, I will run the example. With this one also, I will run the example. Hold on, you will understand. Guys, are you getting? Good. Let me just try to provide this one. Why we are taking some extra keyword arguments, you know? Because we have a lot of data. We have what exactly, sir? Lot of data. There are two keyword arguments. The first one is a solver. Next one is max iterations. I can change the values also. Hold on. First of all, let me show you. Model creation also done. Yeah. Read everyone. Step number 1. Splitting the data set, model creation. Thank you, sir. Next one is a model training. Come on. Model training means what exactly? You know, fit method you need to call. What method you need to call? Fit method you need to call. Step number 6. Sorry, any ML algorithm will follow these steps actually. Will follow this step. Model dot fit method. Come on, talk with me. X train, comma, Y train. Y train actually. You need to call like this. Now let us just try to run the example. It is taking some time. Model training. Super actually. Now the next one is what exactly? Model prediction. Model prediction. Hold on. Yeah. Here solver. Here we have given this one, right? LBFHG means this is the full form, sir. So though no doubt at all, lot of images, right? Definitely some memory issues you will get it out actually. By default, your computer processor will provide some default memory, but I need more memory. I need what exactly? More memory actually. That's why you need to provide that one. It is one of the solver algorithm provided by scikit-learn library. If you want, I will do one thing. Let me delete these two. Step by step, let me explain. Hold on. Without this one, let me try. You will get some, you will understand what exactly is going on. First of all, I have given. Daniel, I will not give. What happened? Let me show you, sir. I will not give. Now, let us just try to run the example. Good. So first of all, there is a big data set actually. If you are not providing, you are getting first of all warning. You are getting first of all what exactly? Warning actually. What is that warning? Can somebody talk with me? Warning. Fail to converge. Fail to what exactly? Converge actually. Converge. During gradient descent algorithm, I can cover, sir. Converge. During gradient descent algorithm, I can cover. What exactly happened, boss, the ML algorithm is running. It is taking the input and output actually, but memory is not sufficient. Memory is what exactly? Not sufficient. Can you please increase the memory? Can you please increase the memory? You can increase the memory by taking these two parameters. Let me take solver equals to this one. Let me take solver equals to this one actually. It is okay. Max iterations, how much I have taken here actually? 300. Let me take 1000. Let me take what exactly? 1000. Let me run the example. Oh, it is really very good actually. Let me provide 10. Let me provide what exactly, sir? 10 actually. Still it is throwing the error. Not error actually. What is this one? Can I say? Warning. Let me provide 200. No, no, not 220. Still warning. Let me provide 30. Don't play the game actually. First of all, total how many images? 17. Give the double value. Give what value? Double value. Let me provide the 3000. Let me provide what exactly? That's the best practice, sir. Now I hope you understand. If you are not providing these two, ML algorithm is taking feature and target, but it is unable to store the default memory. Then we need to allocate the extra memory by providing these two actually. Solver equals to LBFGS actually. Sir, this came just a matter of 1.5 years back actually. But previously, still logistic regression will work. If you want, you can walk through Stack Overflow, you will understand, right? If you need more explanation, but not required. I hope I already copy pasted actually. Take this example. Without this one, let me do copy paste. You will get warning. Regarding the memory. All right, we're almost very near. Move on to the discussion. Good. What all things are happening, Importing the library is done, loading the data set is done, data preparation is done, splitting the data set is done, model creation. Next one is what exactly? Model training. Next one is what exactly, sir? Can somebody talk with me? What is the next one? Prediction. Simple. Let me just try to come here actually. Check the score. Model dot score X test, and next one is what exactly? Y test. You can check the score like this. I hope you know how to check this one. What is the score level? 96. What is the score level? 96% it is giving. Now the model prediction. Sir, let me just try to provide model dot predict of. So here generally previously we have given a area value. What we have given? Area directly number. Now here what exactly we are giving is digits dot data of 6 means we are giving array. We are giving what exactly? Array value we are giving. Then it is doing prediction. It is doing what exactly? Prediction actually. What is the predicted value? 6. Keep in mind that predict method previously we have provided area. You have provided what exactly? Area, kind of some number we have provided. Now here for the prediction we are providing a array value. What value? Array value. Also called as a image we are providing. What we are providing? Image we are providing. If you want to, well how to print the image of this one, you can do that one actually. Let me tell you, what is the discussion? Can somebody talk with me? Multi-class classification. Classification. Today, what I have covered, basic example. What example? First of all, sorry for saying this is not real-time example. Let me make it very clear. This is not what exactly? Real-time example actually. During interview, if they're asking, explain about multi-class classification means you should not explain this. This is just to understand the flow. But we have to explain one real-time example from the Kaggle. From what exactly, sir? Kaggle actually. Understand the example from this session, jump into the Kaggle, capture one example. That example you need to practice. I will show you what example you need to practice. Guys, are you getting? Good. I hope you're getting actual. If you are looking for real-time example, looking for real-time example, then what you need to do, jump from third floor. Am I right or not, sir? Fourth, jump into, jump to Kegel. We are in fourth floor, right? Good, sir. Let's move on. Why you guys looking dull actually? What happened? Are you fine? Are you having job tension? Sir, don't worry. Enjoy. Before job only you have to enjoy. After getting job, sir, namaskar actually. No, life is full busy. Even I need to take your appointment to connect with you actually. Sometimes whenever you are calling, I'm unable to pick up the call because after you get a job, you will understand. I'm repeating again. Sometimes you're calling actually, but I'm unable to pick up the call, but I'm texting over WhatsApp actually. Why I'm unable to pick up the call? I will not answer now actually. After you will get a job, you will understand. Keep in mind. Okay. Please, everyone will get a job actually. This is my face, sir. I like this image, man. All right. Fine, then let's move on. So this is the prediction. We done this roll. Next one is 9 we are providing. 9 actually. If you am providing here 100, do you think 100 will get actually? No, sir. We will get one value. That value is in between 0 to 9. Come on. Nice. I hope you connected actually. Model prediction. 20. What is the value? 0. Sir, hold on. Look at the example actually. Let us spend some time. Let's do small R&D. First of all, this is the machine learning example. What example? Machine learning example. Can I say mixed of Python and Pandas actually? Good. Python means all our keywords, packages would you have. Next one is functions would you have, classes would you have actually. Good. This is what exactly, sir? Oh, sorry. No Pandas discussion. I'm sorry. No Pandas discussion. Directly array discussion. What discussion? You have to understand one point actually. Whenever you are loading the data like this, it is directly providing the array. Why? Because array is a super fast. Array is what exactly? Super fast. They have taken in care in such a way that actually. Good. Function you are calling. In Python, we already learned the function. Function of you are calling. A function is returning one single variable. A function is returning how many variables? Multiple variables. This topic we covered in where exactly? Python. Python, function spot number 2, page number last actually, the last example. You guys need to walk through, right? And a class, we are creating an object. Keyword arguments actually. What is this one? Keyword arguments. I hope you already told. Keyword arguments topic you can apply on three areas. First one, function we can apply. Second one, constructor we can apply. Third one, instance method we can apply. I'm repeating again. Did I share this material? Please walk through. I know you guys are busy like a CM and PM, but you need to walk through. This material I'm sure I have shared actually. I have shared this one. Am I right? You need to walk through this. Type error. Read everyone. Unexpected keyword argument. One more time. But for next batch, let me give my favorite syntax actually, heading. Is it fine? I will give the heading as my favorite syntax actually. Okay. Good. Just for fun, I'm doing. Now, prediction. I hope you know this one. I just wanted to do the prediction for, group of arrays actually. You can do this one. That's it, sir. That's it. I'm sure. I hope you understand actually. Can I get a response? Good. Let's move on. Now I will, sorry, sir. I will quickly jump into another algorithm very quickly. Hold on. Decision tree, let me start immediately. I know here in between there are a few pending actually. What is that one, sir? Only gradient descent is pending. Am I right? Come again? R squared. Yeah. Hold on. R value also. Let me cover this week only. Yesterday, Mallikarjun, not Mallikarjun. Your name, sir? Ah, Prashant asked one question which is related to the R actually. Good question. I will explain. Maybe this week I can explain. Now just try to come here. Let me close this. Not this one. I would like to start one more algorithm, sir, very quickly. I would like to start one more algorithm very quickly. That algorithm name is called as a Decision tree. What is algorithm name? Decision tree. Maybe at least let me give the introduction. Sir, after a decision tree, immediately one more algorithm I'm going to cover. That algorithm name is called as a random forest. What is that algorithm name? Random forest actually. There is a relation. Decision tree, random forest, both are brothers actually. Both are what exactly? Brothers. I mean to say that if you understand decision tree, then understanding random forest is a very simple. Understanding what exactly? Random forest. I'm repeating again. Decision tree, separate machine learning algorithm. Random forest, separate machine learning algorithm. This is something like, if you understand list data structure, understanding tuple is very easy. Am I right? Same thing like that. If you understand decision tree, then the next algorithm is what exactly? Random forest actually. I'm sorry. Random forest. The next one you will understand very clearly. Okay. Hold on. This is the upcoming topic. Once ML done, quickly upload the resume, sir. Maybe one day let me show you how to upload the resume also. You can apply for two scenarios. First scenario will be specific location. If you want to only Hyderabad location, apply Hyderabad jobs actually. If you want, you can apply remote location also. What location? Currently, companies are recruiting for what exactly? Work from home option also. Which options are? Work from home. But I can recommend you go to the office and work actually. First time if you're working in IT, in company, once you need to enter into the company, there are good things you can learn actually. How to communicate with the team, how to talk with the manager, how to talk with the lead actually. These are all things are seriously interesting. Guys, are you getting? But coming to the freshers, you need to, sir, freshers we have to accept actually. Either work from home, or else what exactly, work from office, anything is fine. Let me open this one, decision tree. I heard from your batch, few of you guys are freshers actually. You got your offer letter, but joining date you will get very soon. Ma'am, I hope you get service. Which company? Virtusa. Yeah, you will get an offer letter. Wait, maybe after financial year till March 31st actually. This which is called as a financial year. There are few terminals you need to understand. Uh, till March 31st, which is called as a quarter number one. What is that one, sir? Quarter means not that one. I hope you understand. I'm sorry for getting financial year. What is that one, sir? Financial year actually. So companies, what they will do, they will recruit the employee before financial year and they will submit to the client actually. That is a scenario number one. After financial year is done, then again they will reopen the requirement actually. They will reopen what exactly? Requirement. And here onwards, there are more calls. Get ready. Before March, if you are getting weekly 2 to 3 calls actually, after March, you will get a lot of calls. Sir, today is not April 1st. You have to trust me actually. Guys, are you getting? Keep in mind that, right? Online team, what happens, sir? To class, can we not provide keyword augment? Srikant. Very quickly, let me explain this example. Our Srikant. Sir, there is a one student, he got a job actually, but his experience is very high level, more than 15 years of experience. I will share his number also. He got a job in a company. Company name is called as a Service Now. Company name is called as what exactly? Product based company, but he is a so awesome in practice. Just morning only he called. His name is a Pradeep. His name is what exactly? Pradeep. He had more than 15 years of experience in IT. I'm junior for him. Sorry for saying. I'm junior. I used to call Anna, how are you? I'm sorry for getting. Hey, it doesn't matter either you are senior or junior. I like to respect everyone actually. And he lent with us. And man, he's awesome in practice. I will share his mobile number also. Service Now, seriously very good company, sir. Very good company. If you want, we can do R&D actually. Can I reveal his package? 29 lakhs actually. 29 lakhs. Please, when you call, don't ask him how much package you are getting, but he can reveal. First of all, I should not reveal the company name. I should not reveal, package actually. But still, I am revealing. The keep in mind that to motivate you. ServiceNow is a product-based company. 29 lakhs is not a joke, sir. Which one, sir? Data scientist only. What he done, on an average, total 15 years experience, right? According to our suggestion, last to 3 experience he added as a data scientist. Last to 3 experience he added as a data scientist actually. Okay. That too, he already working employee, right? He has a already decent package. On top of that, he got a nice package actually. Prior to that, he has given a company Google, but unfortunately, it was. I thought he can crack. I thought he can crack actually, but at last round he was failed actually. But let me tell you, sir, he's awesome in practice. He's very good in practice. Simple. The fundamental is overall really very good in practice. Get ready, you will get a job. Get ready, you will get a job actually. Keep in mind that. Maybe this week, I can provide the Pradeep number. There are few students already working employee, my students actually, who already working employees. They already given a lot of interviews actually. Talk with them, you will get a nice experience. I hope I have given Kailash number, am I right? I hope you might have connected actually. If you didn't connected, that is fine. But talk with them. You will get inspire actually. You will get some motivation. That's a motto. Srikant, to class, can we provide the keyword argument actually? Sir, we can. We can. But not for class. But not for what exactly? Class. But to, very good. That point you need to understand actually. I mean to say that class, let us take a student. DF underscore INIT. INIT or NIT, sir? Previously, one student have given NIT actually. Selfish, right? I know you guys. Yeah, yeah, yeah. First of all, write like that actually. Later, you can fill up the blanks. S1 equals to. Now, I hope you know. Print off. What exactly you can do, self dot number. Next one is a self dot what exactly? Name. Talk with me, sir. Yeah, let me provide. Let us create an object. First of all, let me show you hard code value. Now let me show you the next one. S2 equals to student. Yeah, now you know what? This is called as a positional parameter you are providing. Number, yeah, positional argument. Number equals to 102. Next one is what exactly? Name equals to, let me provide Prasad. This is called as a keyword argument. This is called as what exactly? Keyword argument. Exactly go for logistic regression. This is what exactly happened. Did you understand? Take this example. Compare like this. You need to compare like this actually. Now please observe here. Left hand side S2, but here what is the left hand side actually? Model. Student is the name of the class. Logistic regression is what exactly? Name of the class. Number. In a constructor, how you do have a parameter actually? Same thing like that. For this class, there is a constructor. For that constructor, solver is the predefined parameter. Did you understand? That comparison mapping is important actually. But you don't need to open the constructor. You need to understand like this, the code actually, like this. Okay. Srikant, I hope you understand. But nice question. Yeah, you're right. Let's move on. Let us close today, sir. We'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow, maybe 2 algorithms I'm going to cover. How many algorithms? 2 algorithms. We'll see. Let me upload the material very quickly. Srikant, sir, you're right. Absolutely right, actually. Can I share this image also? Sir, don't look dull actually. I don't know what happened. You guys became dull. Feel happy and be Josh. Let me just try to. Got 5:30. Let me just try to upload the material. Interview discussion. Now hold on. Logistic regression. 5:30. Machine learning. And multi-class classification. Sir, pickling and unpickling. I'm done, right? Sir, important interview question. Pickling and unpickling. Do you think I need to upload the data set actually? All images data set? Yeah, public data set. There is a function, that function I need to call. Let me upload the running nodes very quickly, then we can close the discussion. Once machine learning is done, we can run like a horse, sir. Very simple. Deep learning, NLP. Further discussion will be very easy. We are very soon to touch the last day actually. All right. We done for today's session. Thank you for attending. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Thank you everyone, please. Running nodes 84. Running nodes 84 actually. What happened, boss? Okay. Logistic regression running nodes. Fine. Running nodes number, any idea? Thank you. Kindly please hold on. I'm sorry. 84. 84. This one, I guess, right? Huh? Yeah, good. Let me upload. I have uploaded. Thank you. Thank you.